Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will build one Python project which is a very basic game, guess the number game. By building this game we will be able to enhance our programming skills, and also we can revisit the Python basic concepts like conditional statements, looping, and random module. So yeah, let's build this game. Before start to build everything from scratch, I will show you the game, actual game, and also how it works, and then we will jump and we'll build this game from scratch. So let me show you the end result. So I will run the game. It's a we are going to play this game against the computer. The computer will have one secret number between 1 and 100. So we are going to guess that number. What's the secret number? So let me try with 55 as my guess. So it's giving me a clue like the secret number is lower than 55 and I have 9 chances left. Okay, the secret number is lower than 55, right? So let me try with 25. Okay, this time it is giving me a clue like the secret number is higher than the 25. So from these two clue I can say like it should be something between 25 and 55, right? Okay, let me try with 35 this time. Okay, it is still giving me that the secret number is higher than 35 and I have 7 chances left. Okay, let me try with 45 then. Oh, 45 is the secret number. Oh, we guessed that secret number within three, I mean, chances it gave, and we are the winner. So yeah, it's a very simple and cool game, right? It just we are able to find the secret number, and then we are the winner. If not, the computer is the winner. So yeah, let's jump and build this game from scratch. I've created an empty file, stnumber.py file in my desktop. I will open it with my favorite editor, Visual Studio Code, and then we will build this game. So yeah, I have opened the file. It's an empty file. So before building everything from scratch, let's understand the requirement. We know that how the game works and how we have to code, but let's divide the requirement into smaller tasks so that we can build it fastly. So as a first step, what we have to do is like we have to make the computer select secret number, which is between 1 and 100, and then we have to get the user guess. We have to get the user guess, and then we have to check and validate whether that user guess is correct or not. And we have to give some clues so that it will help the user to guess the secret number, and also we have to give chances like repetitions. And finally we have to inform user whether he won or lost. User won or lost. So this is the task, smaller task that we are going to build for our game, guess the number game. So the first task is make the computer select a secret number between 1 and 100. So for that we are going to use the help of a random module. So we are going to use a randint built-in function from the random module. So let's import it from random, import randint. So randint built-in function can be used to select one random number between the uh, start and end value that we are going to give. So for that I'm creating one variable start. So that is starting from 1. So that's why I'm giving 1 as a value to start variable. And I'm going to create one more variable end. So that value is 100. So we have a start and end range. Now we have to create the secret number. So let's create a secret number variable, and it should point to randint function with start and end value. So yeah, let's check whether it is working fine or not. So let me print this secret number. So let's run it and check whether a secret number is created or not. So let me go to my command prompt, let me clear everything, and let me go to desktop, and let's run the file, guess the number. So yeah, we are getting 79. For now we are just printing the secret number, right? So that's why we are seeing 79 when we ran the script guess the number.py. So it is working fine till now. So let's add some beautification, because for now we are not seeing anything here. So let's add some print statement like yes the number. So let's run now. Yeah, we are getting the message like guess the number, like a heading, and also we are getting 61 as our secret number. So the secret number is created, so the first task is completed. Now let's go and get the user guess. So for that I'm creating one variable user guess, and I'm going to need the help of input function, and let's give some message like guess the number. So we know that the input function will receive the value as a string. So, but we need a number. So what we are going to do is like we are going to transform that string into integer. So I'm going to use the int function for that. So let's check whether we are getting the user guess correctly, and let's check the type of user guess, just to confirm whether everything is working fine or not. So let me clear this and let's run it again. Okay, we are seeing the guess the number message and guess the number heading as well. So let's try with 55. Okay, yeah, so we are seeing 55. We are, because we are printing the user guess, and also we are printing the type of user guess. We are getting at it as an integer because we have transformed it to integer. So till the stage it is working fine. Let's move and check the validations. So for the third task, let's understand, check and validate whether the user guess is correct or not. So we can come into a three scenarios. The user can enter value something less than the secret number, or the user guess can be greater than the secret number, and there is an also a chance that the user can enter number uh, you know higher than the 100, right? But we need the secret number because we have selected secret number between 1 and 100, but if the user is entering something higher than the 100, then we have to return a message to the user that you have to enter something between 1 and 100, right? So that validation also we have to include. So let's check if that user guess is greater than 100. If it is 100, then let's print a message that your guess is greater than 100, must be, or enter between 1 and 100. So we are going to display this message, or for now let's just check. Let's just check if user guess equal to secret number. If it is equal, then print the message like you won. For now let's, or else print you lost. So let's run this game and check whether everything is working fine or not. So we are getting the guess the number heading and guess the number input field, where I'm going to enter 45. Okay, you lost because the whatever the number that I have entered is not the secret number, so I am getting a message like you lost. So everything is working in our way. So now the next thing is like we have to give some clue to the user and also chances, because if you look at the current program, we are giving the user only one chance, right? The user is entering 45 as a guess here, and it is checking the 45 is the secret number. If not, it is just simply printing you lost. We are not adding some interesting things here, right? We have to give some chances to the user so that the user can get some interest and try again and again till he finds the secret number, right? So that level of flexibility we have to give to the user, so that will bring the user experience, and it will make more interesting. So that's why we are going to introduce clues and chances. So let's build that. So I'm going to consider 10 chances. You can try with the number of chances you want. You can try with 5 or 15 or 20. That's completely your choice. For the best experience, I'm taking 10 as a chances. So with that, we are going to build. So we have to move everything in these things into a loop. So I'm going to write a loop, because that if we have to repeat this task 10 times, right? So that's why I'm moving everything inside loop, because we are going to do this iteratively, because if the user is lost in the first attempt, then he can try in the second attempt. So that's user experience we are going to introduce. For chance in range of chances, we are going to get the user guess, and if the user guess is greater than 100, yeah, we are going to print a message like your guess is greater than 100, enter between 1 and 100. And now what we are going to do is like we are going to simply remove these two conditions. Instead, we are going to give some clues to the user. With that, he can try again. So if the user guess is greater than secret number, we are going to print a message like uh, this, not like this, the secret number is lower than your guess, because we have entered our guess, I mean number, that number is greater than the secret number. So we are going to return a message like the secret number is lower than user guess. With that, with this clue, the user can come to know that we have entered a number that is greater than the secret number. So in the next chance, he or she will enter a number which is less than what they actually entered in the previous chance. So that's what we are building here. And in case if that user guess is lesser than the secret number, then we have to print a message like the secret number is higher than user guess. If not, in the else case, it can be definitely the user found the secret number. So what we are going to do here is like we are going to break out of this loop, and before breaking out of the loop, we have to print a message like congratulations, you found the secret number. You found the sorry found the secret number. Okay, let's add an f string here. Secret number. And we also have to print the messages, right? Like the chances messages, because without that print statement, the user will never know how many chances is left. So for that, what we are going to do is like, so every time the loop ran, we have to reduce the chances. Means for the first time when the user enters, he will have 10 chances. But by the time it he completes the first guess, the chances will reduce by 1, right? The second time it is going to be a 9 chances, and the third time it is going to be 8 chances, and the fourth time it is going to be 7 or 6 chances left, right? The chances needs to be reduced by the time he completes the guess. So for that, what we are going to do is like, we are going to reduce it by 1 every time it runs, and then we are going to print a message like, you have only chances, not chances left. So now we have completed our check and validation, sorry, some clues and chances. And also let's complete the fifth task as well, inform the user whether the user won or lost. So right now we have informed the user if he found the secret number, but in case if if he was not able to find the correct number for all the chances, with all the chances, then we have to inform him that he lost the game, right? So that level of check also we have to do. So for that, what I'm going to do is like, I'm going to add one flag here, found is equal to false. So you know in case if the user finds that secret number, what I'm going to do is like, I'm going to set it as a true here. And once the loop completes, then only, if it comes out of the loop, then it means, I mean, if it completes the loop, then it means the user hasn't found the secret number, right? So that's why we have introduced a found flag. If that loop completes with all its chances, then it means the user hasn't found the secret number. So with the help of that flag, we can add one conditional statement like, if not found, then we are going to print a message like, hard luck, you haven't find the secret number, which is the secret number. Yeah, that's it. We have written our game. So what we did is like, the first thing is we make the computer select a secret number between 1 and 100. So that's we achieved with the rand into built-in function, with the start value was 1 and end value was 100. And then we have get the user guess with the, right now it is inside the loop, because we have given chances, life chances. So we have used 10 as a chances, and we are iterating it, the chances, and within that we are getting user input, and then we are checking and validating whether that user guess is greater than or lower than a secret number. And based on that, we are giving some clues to the user. And then in case if the user founds, we are printing a message like, congratulations, you have found the secret number, and we are breaking out of the loop, because we don't need to run the loop again. That's why we are breaking out of the loop with the message like, congratulations, you have found the secret number. And in case if you not found the secret number, we also need to show the how many chances left So that's why we are having one print statement inside the for loop, which will show how many chances left. And in case if all the chances are used, and when the loops comes out of this for loop, then we are checking with the flag, found flag. In case if the found flag is false, we are printing a message like hard luck, you haven't found the secret number. So let's run it and check whether it is working fine or not. So let me save this and run it here. Let me clear the screen and I will run the guess the number function. So it is asking the number. Let's give 65. Okay, it is the number 65 is not the secret number. It is giving me a clue. The secret number is higher than the 65 and it is also showing the number of chances left. I have 9 chances left. So let me try with the 75 this time. It is showing me an clue. The secret number is higher than the 75. Let me try with 85 and also my chances is reduced. This time we have only 8 chances left. Okay, the number is lower than 85. Okay, this time we have get a different clue. The secret number is lower than 85. In the second attempt we got a clue like the secret number is higher than the 75. So it should be something between 75 and 85. So let's try with 80. The number is higher than 80, so now we can think like it should be something between 80 and 85. So let's try 83, which is a mid of, okay, so it's not 83. Okay, let me try with 84. I have only 5 chances left. 84 is a secret number. Yeah, we found the secret number. Right, congratulations, you found the secret number. We are getting that the congratulations message. We won this game. Yay. So till this stage it is everything is working fine, and we can add some beautifications. And before that, let's try the negative scenario, which is, we lost the game, the computer won the game. So let's try the negative scenario as well. Let's run the python guess the number, and let me try with 45 for all the chances. 45, 45, 45. I'm going to use all the 10 chances with the incorrect value. Let's see what it prints. Okay, so yeah, it is giving me a message like hard luck, you haven't found the secret number 5. Okay, we lost this game. So the negative scenario is also working fine. With this we can confirm. And the one more scenario we have to check is like, in case if the user enters something more than 100, then at that time also it has to show a message like the secret number should be between 1 and 100. Enter something between 1 and 100, and also it has to reduce the chances. So let's test that scenario as well. So let me try with 123. So it is giving me your guess is greater than 100, enter between 1 and 100. So yeah, that's expected. That's what we coded, right? Let's try with 1, 2, 3 again. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's working as expected. Every time we entered 1, 2, 3, it returned that your guess is greater than 100, enter between 1 and 100, and it also reduced the chances. So that's everything is working as expected. Let's add some beautification, and then it will look nice to the user. Let's add some, let me add a new line at the top as well, and then I think here, not here. Okay, I have to add another print statement here. Computer chose a secret number. I think it's not here. It should be below the guess the number. Okay, let's try. Let's try this, and we'll see. I think somewhere here I have to add. Yeah, I think here also I have to add one new line. Yeah, let's run it and we'll see. Yeah, now it looks, a little bit nicer, right? We are seeing some new lines between lines. Guess the number as a heading. The computer chose a secret number. Guess the number. Okay, let's try with 34 this time. Okay, we are seeing some gaps between the first attempt and the second attempt, right? The first chance and the second chance. So a little bit nicer. Okay, let's play the game. Guess the number. The secret number is lower than 34. So it's a lower than 34. Let's try with 45. Okay, it's still lower than 45. Okay, let's try with 56. Okay, let me try with 78. Okay, 89. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm trying incorrectly. The secret number is lower than 34. Then I have to enter lower than 34. Yeah, okay, 21 or 15, 10, come on, 5, 2, okay, higher than 3, but I have only one chances. It should be higher than 2 and lower than 5. Let's try with 4. Yay, at the last chance we have found the secret number. The secret number is 4 and we found it. We are the winner. Yay. So everything is working as expected, right? So yeah, that's it. It's a very cool and whenever you need it, you can play this game. It's a cool game and I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you will try it on your own and you can play around. You can find n number of logic, and I hope this video really helpful. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and also subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.